how do we actually program? Let me give you some formula type techniques. If you can see the problem with your eyes, if the doctor can see the problem, maybe the doctor has an x-ray and can see that, oh, a person has an enlarged heart. Oh, the person has something going on in the brain. Whatever it is, if they can detect these, whatever ways that they have, if you could do the same, if you could see it, if it's something like that, you can use visualization and imagination to correct it. So first, we visualize the problem. We got to know a problem exists. We got to know what the problem is if we want to correct it. You can't correct something you don't know about. Well, what do you do? You know, it's like if you're going to travel somewhere. You call up and you say, I'd like to fly to Los Angeles. What are they going to ask you? First thing they're going to ask is, where are you leaving from? Fly from where? Oh, I want to fly from Laredo. Okay, we'll get you on one of the connector flights over to Houston or to Dallas where you can connect up with a flight to Los Angeles. They got to know the starting point. Then what we want you to do, you have, say, a scene in front of you. Some people have very vivid mental imagery, and Mr. Silver realized when he started doing this, he realized that some people with real good mental imagery were trying to project a mental image somewhere, and they didn't know where to project it, so they were projecting onto the back of their eyelids and trying to see it with their eyes on the back of their eyelids. The problem with that is anytime you attempt to use your physical eyes to focus your eyes to see something, even if they're closed, if you try to focus your eyes, that takes you back to beta brainwave frequency, the faster beta frequencies. Those are the weakest frequencies, the least stable, the least synchronous frequencies. It's not the good place to do your thinking. We don't want to be thinking at beta. We want to take action. You've already made your plans at alpha. You carry them out at beta. So what we want to do is be using our energy to go ahead and take action in the physical world to solve the problem. So he wanted to find some way so that people would not be trying to see something on the back of the eyes. He said, let's create a mental screen. Just put that image out there in front of you, push it out in front of you, and create a mental screen, like if you're in a movie theater or a drive-in theater, or you got a big flat screen, flat panel TV up on the wall. Usually the screen would usually be a little higher than the horizontal plane of sight, about maybe 20 degrees above horizontal. Just your eyes turn slightly upward seems to increase the amount of alpha that you have. I mean, don't see it with your eyes. Don't want to see it with your eyes. You want to detect it with your mind. So you project your mind and detect the image of that. First scene is directly in front of you. Second scene, 15 degrees to the left of that one, towards your left. The third scene, that's a correcting scene, what you're going to be doing in the beta world, the physical world. The third scene, perfect health, everything has been corrected. That's what we call the three scenes technique. The three scenes technique. That's a way to use your visualization and imagination to improve the current situation. And take it for granted, as long as you get out there and do whatever you need to do in the physical world to make it happen, it's already happened in the subjective world. In the mental world, it's a done deal. You're healed. It's completed. Or you've got the new car. Now you got to take action in the physical world so physics can catch up with it.